Hey everybody, welcome back to the episode on Mighty Mouse Shop Creations. Today we're just going to be doing a quick stash update, or I guess mail call. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so as you can see, we're starting off with this vintage SMP kit, or I guess it's an AMT kit. It is a 1960 Plymouth Valiant, I believe. So, I mean, we'll take a quick look at this mint box. It's so super colorful and clean. Not even like a dent or anything. I guess that's the original price. Gives you some of the customizable options and tells you
like a really early box too, right?
Well, yeah, this is like, I believe, probably the first.
What is SMP? Scale Model Products?
I think so. I think that's what it stands for before it changed into AMT.
Yeah, like it's old school.
Yeah. As we take off the box, we're just going to do a quick peek inside. We got the, the mint decal sheets, or the mint decal sheet. Super, super nice. Not even yellowed at all.
Oh.
The original instructions that say SMP as well. Not even a rip or anything. Again, it's
pretty white considering it's like super duper old.
Yeah.
We should look that up.
Yeah, I don't know.
Somebody will leave it down in the comments, I'm sure.
I'd imagine it's an annuals kit. I believe it's probably from 1960. So here's a kind of a bin of the loose parts, or a bag of the loose parts, not a bin. And here's the original, I guess, semi-built Valiant. It's coming off. I can't really put it back on, but
this is one of my favorite body styles, and I think it's because it's like classy ugly.
Yeah, it sure is ugly. It is ugly.
It does usually show up on lists of ugly cars, along with a lot of AMC products, which is close to my heart.
Yeah. Okay. And then in the box we have the chrome tree and another plastic sprue tree. But yeah,
still pretty shiny.
Very shiny.
Old school chrome.
Yeah. We have kind of an idea, because I believe, what was it, Revell reissued this kit later.
Oh yeah, the flat box.
Yeah,
flat box
there was a flat box Revell kit of the.
Probably more.
Yeah, probably. So if you would like to see a comparison video of like this kit in comparison to the Revell kit, let us know in the comments, because we'd be more than happy to do that.
We might be able to make it happen.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
As we move on, I picked up, well, I don't even know how I came across these, but we have 3 blueprints from, well, this one is a 1963 Plymouth, or sorry, not Plymouth, Chrysler 300. Look at that.
Blueprints for what, though? The model kit, isn't it?
Yeah, I believe so. Super crazy, considering I got this for a very reasonable price. And just to give you guys reference, this is the 1963 Chrysler 300. Well, this one is in awaiting its restoration.
90% of a 300.
Yeah, well, we're missing the front rims and stuff, but and I guess the air cleaners, but just to give you guys reference, this is the blueprints for the Chrysler 300.
It would be cool to have the restored kit and then have the blueprints in a frame, and maybe like the box or something like.
Yeah, I really want to frame these and then have the built kit in front of them, just because it's super cool. This is a 63 Plymouth Fury, which is what I meant to say earlier, in which we have, again, an unrestored, well, I guess it's not even in terrible condition, but it's just a...
Yeah, we got that from the Peterborough Diecast show.
No, the Kawartha Diecast.
Oh, Kawartha Peterborough, same thing.
But, yeah, so we have an unrestored 63 Plymouth Fury that I'm going to probably put in front of the original blueprints. And yeah, when we bought the built-up, we actually got the original emblem from the car with it, which is a super deal, because why would you not want to have the original emblem with it? So I might make like a display base with the emblem on the base next to it, I guess.
Yeah, he was a super cool guy.
He was really, he was a cool dude.
Yeah, that was a fun time.
And last but not least, this is I think it's a 60, I think it's a 68 Plymouth Fury, but I don't know for sure. Maybe a 67, but this is the Johan Plymouth Fury Police Pursuit Vehicle, which we own a few of these kits. This is the original issue, though. This is the only one of the original issue that we own, but just to give you guys reference, that is the kit, and that is the Plymouth Fury. And yeah, so that's super cool. I'm really glad that we got these. And look, even original pen writing on.
Yeah, I wonder if there's people that know blueprints and things. Oh, look at what's that up there? Like emblems, probably? Anyways, if you know more about it than we do, which is probably a lot of people,
yeah, let us know in the comments. And here is a really musty looking box, but Modelhaus. How interesting is that? This is a 1957 Chevrolet Cameo pickup. So it is the resin kit.
With a broken.
Yeah, with a broken.
But still, that's easy. Styrene.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't think I'll build this one up because I think AMT reissued it.
Yeah, 1991 I think is when it came out. So this is obviously embarrassingly, I don't know a whole lot about Modelhaus, mostly because it's been out of my price range for the majority of my life. But this came up and it was a super good price and
couldn't say no.
Exactly.
I mean, now I can say, oh yeah, I have a Modelhaus in my stash, right? So
sure.
There you go. And actually, I'll just go over the whole kit because why not? Drum brakes and
yeah, fin drum brakes. Those are sweet.
Yeah, dashboard, steering wheel, and I think those are the rims. Yeah, nice chrome rims. And they have, of course, the chrome bumpers. Whoops, wrong way. Well, front bumper at least. And here is the white wall tires. Really nice, actually. I didn't expect them to be that nice.
Kind of cool to have. Well, again, I'm all about the displays, I guess. Like, but how do you display like Modelhaus resin in a box?
Yeah.
They're built. Like, I don't know. Anyways, it's neat.
Yeah. Whoa. Something just crunched. Don't know what that was. That's a little scary. Ugh. Anyways, and then we have a couple other things. Like here is a 68 Ambassador and interior tub.
Yeah, this is a classic put the horse before the cart. No, wait, the cart before the horse, because we saw a really nice body that was pretty decently priced, and we missed out. I think I actually forgot about the timing of the auction.
Well, it was at like 12 p.m., which is, or no, 12 a.m.
So we've been, it's like, you guys probably have projects like that where you have like, you've been gathering parts for like the last umpteen years to try and build a complete kit. So this is one more piece towards the complete kit, maybe someday that we might build.
Well, we'll see
eventually.
And then we also ordered off of Iceman the rubber duck. Let's see if I can get them in picture here. The rubber duck, rubber duck convoy? Well, rubber ducks, obviously.
Yeah. So club member, he's building a Death Proof car. You guys know that cool movie, Death Proof. So he's building the replica of the car, and I think he's done some figures as well to match the figures of the ladies.
But yeah, we actually have the rubber duck convoy. It's kind of humongous in this picture, but
wow.
Yeah, here's the duck. It has rubber duck statue from the kit, which we actually took out the box just to show you guys. It's humongous. If that's compared to my hand, it's pretty large.
Well, yeah.
So,
anyways, this is from like I used to be into trucks. I still am into trucks, but anyways, I got a whole bunch. If you want to see more about these and or other rare truck kits.
But yeah, so I think that's it actually. We have, I don't know, just to give you guys some updates, I guess. I have a diorama in the works of actually this ugly little crappy 132 scale, I think.
No, I think it's more than that. 143?
No, no, it's probably about 132. Military scale, or 135, I guess. Or, I don't know, one or the other. But yeah, it's hurting pretty bad right now. But it's gonna be hurting even more whenever I'm done with it, because I'm making a diorama of kind of an old racer that kind of wiped out off on the side of the road. And then I don't know, I have plans. I have a diorama in the works, so stay tuned for that. Maybe if I ever finish it. The Monaco will probably be a little longer than expected, but that's okay.
Rambler pickup project.
Yeah, that's also yeah. Well, I was starting to do like the interior tub, and I wanted to. Well, I basically cut out the entire interior tub, and then I wanted to do swivel seats, and I just really want to get that right, and I've been kind of procrastinating about it
and
for a
we
while.
got the so Kingston Scale Model Club. We're doing the utility build sneak peek at something I might be working on. Anyways, more to come, right?
Yep. Lots of stuff. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.